G'day guys, Vikra here and let's fix something. Alright, this is a Milwaukee 6230 portable bandsaw. Deep cut, whatever, it's a 6230. So I bought it used and it needs some bearing. Well, they call them bearing, but they're sleeve bearing, they're only bushings. And they need to be replaced on the dry side of this thing. So I'm gonna walk you through the step to replace those and hopefully keep you entertained. First off, if you're looking into buying one of these used, because they get pretty expensive new, what you need to do is flip it over. This is the lock for the blade. This is a belt tension. So if you do that, it's gonna remove the belt tension, and you'll be able to inspect said bushings. It's not going to tell you anything else but the bushings, and if you see, I got a lot of play sideways, which means this bearing is bad. In comparison, this one is pretty stout. It doesn't move. Pretty good. But this one, yeah, it's shot. So I went online and ordered these. This cost me $9 US, and all I have to do is pull these out and replace these. First off, we'll remove the belt. Tension is already off. You know. And then you'll need a T30. This will give us access to the rest of the bolts. This is kind of a big sandwich. The gray pot here is a sandwich between this black one and a backing plate, which has the drive gear. Then we have the tiny Jesus clip here and a washer. Well, the pliers didn't work. Well, the pliers did not work, so I just pulled it off with a screwdriver. But yeah, here's your Jesus clip. And why you call it Jesus clip is because you're gonna say its name when it flies off. Jesus! So there we go. Chain, and then those bushings, they're pretty bad. They need to be replaced. Technically, if the shaft is not worn out, these should work perfectly. And they do. Yep. It's good. You need 2 of these for each wheel, so there's 4 per machine. I'm only replacing the ones I need to replace, which is these ones. So there's 2 of them in there. Now I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get these out. And that's the setup. Get them out. I'm leaving room between the 2 2x4s and just a socket in hole. You see, already pushed one out. Next one's gonna be soon. There we go. They're not even tight. Pretty easy. Okay, this is all good. And these are the bad ones. And here they are. They're pretty worn out. A couple of thousand is all you need. And these, you can tell these are much thicker. So they're gonna be going in and have a nice tight fit on the pulley, and it's gonna detract the belt much better. Okay, so I removed the other one because I want it lubed up. And don't put grease all over the chains here. Otherwise you're gonna get all kind of crap sticking to it and using it. And I made a mess. But yeah, just gonna put a little bit of grease here. Then just a matter of putting it back together. There we go. Then we put the clip back on. This one should go in pretty easy. There we go. Putting Jesus clip back by hand. There you go, just like new. There you go, no movement whatsoever. Just like new. And I took the opportunity to clean up and re-lube the bushing on that side. So now I'm just putting back the cap back on. Same process. There's this C-clip and an O-ring, and that's it. Everything comes out. And now the belt. Work complete. So yeah, that's done, and the first video on YouTube about changing those bushings. So hopefully a lot of big thumbs up and lots of views. So talk to you later, guys, and I hope that helps you out. And if you find one of these in a pawn shop or whatever, well, slack the belt tension and test for these. Otherwise, you're gonna have to do that. And I mean, 10 bucks, 10 minutes, that's 60 bucks an hour. So totally worth it fixing. So talk to you later, guys. Thanks for watching.